Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm your host and your favorite beautician Gulali K Afridi on your show Beauty Parlor. So guys, आज I have a super important topic to talk about, which is hygiene. Hygiene बहुत important है, and I don't know why, but people kind of do tend to neglect such things, you know, and it's not cool, to be very honest. आपको चाहिए कि आप हमेशा अपनी hygiene की you take care of your hygiene. आप हमेशा अपनी hygiene का ख्याल रखें, and always you know, take all the measures and all the precautions that you need, you know, for having a good hygiene, because you don't want to be in anyone's bad books by having bad hygiene and being hated for having bad, you know, hygienes. But I have got you a solution to this as well, you guys. Yes, so I'm going to teach you guys what are the, you know, essentials for a good hygiene. So I'm going to introduce you to some amazing products, but before that I'm going to introduce you to my model who is here, who I'm going to do all the hygiene, you know, process on, and let's start that. Okay, so first off, जो हमेशा से, you know, when we talk about hygiene, उसमें सबसे पहले आता है कि हमारी एक तो body odor होती है, दूसरा हमारी skin पे अगर we have you know, hair or dead you know, skin or all of that stuff, सबसे पहले आपको you have to get rid of that. आप सबसे पहले उससे उतारेंगे, भले आपके बाल हो या dead skin हो या जो भी हो. Your first step should always be कि आप उसको you know, remove करें. So I have this really cool body razor, the Tinkle body razor, जो आपने face पे, अपनी body पे, your private parts, everywhere आप इसको use कर सकते हैं. This is by WS Beauty. इसकी जो QR code है वो आपके screens पे आ रहा होगा, और इसकी QR code भी आपके screen पे इस वक्त मौजूद है. You can easily buy it. It comes with 2 razors. This is a really nice razor, by the way, guys. ये instant बाल भी आपके grow नहीं करता है. Trinket razors always take their sweet time with your hair growth also. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एक दिन बाद ही आपके बाल आ जाएंगे या whatsoever. This will, you know, last you slightly longer. Okay, so this is a really nice body razor जो ये है WS Beauty की तरफ से. Okay, so I'm just going to open. इसका QR code आपकी screen पे आ रहा है, guys. You guys can always download our Bypass app and scan our QR codes, or you can easily type their product ID जो आपके screen पे वो भी मौजूद है, and use them. Which one would you like, pink or green? Pink, right? Of course, you know, girls love pink. So green definitely for the boys. ये सिर्फ लड़कियां नहीं, मर्द भी इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So I'm going to get rid of the protector, and then I'm going to check कि इनके हाथ पे कहाँ you know, we have hair, we have here. तो मैं इसको lightly gentle pressure, ज़्यादा नहीं देंगे, gently इसको उतार देंगे, and that's that. And whatever else is left on the left hand, I will get rid of that too. And there we go. You can see a clean सा effect आ गया, हाथों पे एक smooth surface आ गया है, and now we can work further on this hand. So the best way to have a good hygiene is to have hairless body, or your skin, you know. Your skin should be so smooth and hairless that आपके pores भी जो हैं वो फिर clog ना हो. Anyways, guys. So guys, this product was by WS Beauty. They're these razor trinkets which are super easy to use at home, safe to use at home, and they come in 2 colors, pink and green. Mine's favorite, pink of course, so I used pink. But anyways, हमने सारे बाल इस वक्त remove कर दिए हाथों से इनके, and it's great to, you know, use these trinkets on your body as well and get rid of all the hair on your body as well for a good hygiene. Your body, your skin should be hairless. Okay, having that said, now I'm going to proceed towards a nice body wash, which is going to not only hydrate and plump up her skin, but also it is going to basically cleanse her skin. So not only our face, but our body also needs a good cleanser. And I have this amazing fruity and pumpy body wash by Zaz Beauty. This will basically do the job of a good body cleanser. This is a body cleanser in a bottle of body wash. So I'm just going to open this up. इसका QR code आपकी screens पे मौजूद है guys. इसको scan करके आप खरीद सकते हैं. And you can easily purchase it. या तो if you can't scan it, आप हमारी product ID को use करके जो आपकी screen पे मौजूद है आप उसको search कर सकते हो and you can buy it that way. So this is how amazing the bottle looks. The packaging is great. It's going to hydrate, soften, smoothen your skin, and the most important part is that it's going to cleanse your skin. जी आपके सिर्फ again I'm going to repeat it again that the fact कि आपको सिर्फ अपने skin face के skin को cleanse करने की is not only important but आपके body के I think you should just be cleansed. That is the important part. So this is vegan and gluten free. Okay, so you guys can see I have this body wash. It's very fresh, so I'm unable to open the pump right now. So smells so good and fruity. Oh my god. So I'm just going to take her hand and थोड़ा सा पानी लेके मैं इनकी स्किन को क्लेंस कर दूंगी. Smells so refreshing. I love it. आपकी body को it's going to cleanse out really well and just do the perfect job that we all need. आप इसको dip कर लो अंदर. Okay, a little bit here. मैं ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट निकाल ही नहीं रही हूँ because need ही नहीं है. Even a little is enough right now. मेरे हाथ में जो भी रेसिड्यू था मैं उसके through ही you can see it is so creamy and it's such a milky and nice formula. Although it was transparent, but I love it. It's so cool and smells just amazing. I think it's so important to smell nice. उससे भी आपकी एक personality में जो है एक boost आ जाता है. When you're smelling good, आप अपने interviews या कहीं भी if you're going, सिर्फ दिखना is not important कि आपकी appearance अच्छी है. But if you're not smelling good and if you're smelling and you're going somewhere important, I feel like you will lose a lot of marks that way. Okay, G. So we have cleaned her hands a little more. जब तक मैं इनके हाथों को साफ कर रही हूँ, आप लोग एक छोटी सी break लें and come back to us. Welcome back, guys. As seen previously, I was doing the body wash for her. मैंने इनके हाथ cleanse कर दिए and now I'll dry it off for her. A second, let me just help you. Okay, you can just keep your hands here. I'm going to dry that off till then. Get rid of the bowl. Okay. And I'm going to dry off her hand. Her hand looks so much better now. They're clean. और उसकी dead skin उतर चुकी है. So here we go. Okay, what is our next? Loofah. Bath loofah. Okay, guys, now that her hands are clean, now is the time when I introduce you to a really nice, loofah. which you can use at your home, and it's so important to use a nice loofah. What it does is basically it exfoliates your skin. When I was little, I would always be so fascinated by looking at a loofah, and I didn't know what it did, so I would just go there and feel it and play with it. But the actual way to use a loofah is basically the best part about a loofah is कि आप उस पर थोड़ा सा भी प्रोडक्ट अगर यूज़ करते हो, इट फोम्स इट अप, वो उसका एक फोमी टेक्सचर में आपको हेल्प करता है. आपको बार बार उसको मॉइस्चराइज, बार बार आपको मसाज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है टू गेट दैट फोमी इफेक्ट. अ लूफा विल डू दैट जॉब फॉर यू. वो एक फोमी इफेक्ट जो है आपके लिए उसकी कर देता है. And this is by SK Cosmetics. This you can find at our Bypass app. Easily आप हमारी डाउनलोड करें ऐप, इसका QR कोड स्कैन करें, या आप इसकी प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू भी इसको ख़रीद सकते हैं. This is an amazing bath loofah that we all need in our lives. And of course we can't use a loofah like that, just dry loofah. I have a really nice product which I'm going to use the loofah with. This is our strawberry face and body scrub. ये सिर्फ body का नहीं बल्कि ये face का scrub भी है. So this is basically 2-in-1, and this is a really cool product that I really like. This also is by SK Cosmetics. They're both SK Cosmetics, and इन दोनों के QR codes आपके पास स्क्रीन पे आ रहे होंगे. You can easily buy it. आप इनकी प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू भी खरीद सकते हो. Oh my god, this smells like dream. Do you want to smell it? It is so fruity and cute. I love it. This is for both men and women both. It's okay for men to smell like strawberries also. We love that. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to place it on our loofah. ये scrub है वैसे तो, but I'm going to use a little bit of, and I will show you guys. You guys can see. This is how you're basically going to massage it on your body with the loofah. या अपनी पूरी बॉडी पे लूफा का यूज़ कर सकते हैं with this scrub. You can also directly also apply it and massage it, but you see the feel of it अकेले इतना मज़ा नहीं आता है. But with the loofah, it's so much more fancier, feels luxurious and smooth. अच्छे से एक्सफोलिएट भी करेगा आपके हाथों को. आपको एक्स्ट्रा मसाज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी with the loofah. Loofah will do its job that you need. Okay, so I'm just going to exfoliate here like that. You can see loofah is exfoliating it so well. Her hands smell like a dream right now. I love it. और ये स्क्रब इतना मज़े का है कि ये बहुत हार्श भी नहीं है. Mostly scrubs are so harsh कि वो sensitive skin को और ट्रिगर करती हैं. But this is such a nice and smooth scrub. I'm just going to clean it now. You can put your hands in and I'll clean it for you. Guys, scrubs are not only meant for your face, but also they're great to exfoliate when you want an exfoliation for your body. And for mostly क्या होता है कि हमारी स्किन पे, हमारी बैक पे या हमारे हाथों पे जब हम वैक्स या कुछ करवाते हैं तो you must have seen कि वो छोटे ब्लैक ऐसे डॉट्स हो जाते हैं. दैट्स कॉल्ड स्ट्रॉबेरी स्किन. सो इट्स रियली गोइंग टू रिमूव ऑल दैट स्ट्रॉबेरी स्किन फॉर यू. आपके पोर्स क्लीन करेगा और इट्स रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प दैट फॉर यू. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू dry off her. Such a fresh fragrance. The whole parlor is smelling like strawberries right now. इसकी इतने मज़े की smell थी guys. The fragrance was so good that the whole parlor smells like strawberries. And what better than that? This is by SK Cosmetics guys. इसको आप अगेन इसकी QR कोड आपके स्क्रीन पे मौजूद है. आप इसको थ्रू स्कैनिंग खरीद सकते हैं या आप इसकी प्रोडक्ट ID को कॉपी करें, सर्च पे डालें एंड यू कैन ईजिली बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट. आप बट फॉर दैट यू गाइज हैव टू डाउनलोड आवर ऐप. हमारी ब्यूटी हमारी बायपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करें एंड बाय ऑल आवर ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स। ओके गाइज, जब तक मैं खिजरा के हाथ ड्राई कर रही हूँ आप लोग एक छोटी सी ब्रेक लें बिकॉज वी आर स्टिल नॉट डन, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। वेलकम बैक गाइज टू योर फेवरेट ब्यूटी पार्लर। और आप जैसे देख रहे थे हमारे प्रीवियस एपिसोड में कि हमने बेसिकली इनके हाथों को हमने प्रॉपरली क्लीन किया, हमने स्क्रब किया, we've done all of that now. Now is the time when I lock some moisture in her hand. Although अभी भी her hands feel very soft and very smooth, but for her hands to feel moisturized and not very dry, you know, for it to have that effect, long lasting effect, I'm going to lock some moisture in her hands. इनको थोड़ा हम हाइड्रेट करेंगे। हाइड्रेशन इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर स्किन, क्योंकि हमारे सिर्फ फेस पे रिंकल्स नहीं आते हैं बल्कि हमारे हाथों पैरों हर जगह आते हैं। सो इफ़ यू कीप इट यू नो वेल मॉइस्चराइज एंड वेल हाइड्रेटेड, देयर आर 100% चांसेस कि आपकी you know koi lines ya you know your skin's going to feel very smooth and very soft and you won't have any sort of you know imperfection on your skin. So we have this really cool honey and almond deep moisturizing lotion by Hiba's collection. इनकी seller है Hiba's collection and this is basically a moisturizing lotion that we all need. और अब तो सर्दियाँ भी are round the corner, you know, autumn चल रहा है and अभी से ही लोगों की skins इतनी ड्राई हो चुकी हैं, उनकी बॉडी स्किन, मेरी तो बैक एंड माई स्टमक गेट्स सुपर ड्राई, सो आई नीड समथिंग टू कॉन्स्टेंटली हाइड्रेट इट। एंड इफ गाइज इफ योर स्किन इज ऑल्सो नॉट हाइड्रेटेड, देर आर हाई चांसेस कि आपके स्ट्रेच मार्क्स विल कम earlier than or will just come for no reason as well. So if your skin is well hydrated, you can also prevent it from having stretch marks or any sort of lines or you know any sort of imperfections that we have on our skin. So a hydration will work great for you. This is from normal to dry skin, so basically it's for all sort of skins. So this is perfect for someone who wants nourishment, who wants you know hydration. Healthier looking skin in one day is what this lotion is going to do for you. So this is by Hiba's collection. Let me just, this is completely fresh, so it's going to take a while, but let's just take it out like that. Wow, it smells like almonds actually, you know. गाइज इसका QR कोड आपकी स्क्रीन पे मौजूद है, आप इसको स्कैन करके ख़रीद सकते हैं या तो आप इसकी प्रोडक्ट ID के थ्रू भी इसको ख़रीद सकते हैं, विच इज़ ऑल्सो ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स राइट नाउ। आप हमारी बायपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करें एंड क्विकली बाय दिस। ओके, सो आई हैव ओनली टेकन आउट अ लिटिल बिट। कैन यू गेट योर हैंड प्लीज? ओह वाओ, सो क्रीमी एंड नाइस। Just going to, it's literally sliding my hand. जितना ये मज़े का है ये क्रीम। Just going to massage it to her skin. We penetrate it on her skin ताकि वो अंदर तक properly moisture जो है लॉक हो। और अभी हमने इनको रेज़र भी किया है, so you need extra hydration जब आपने रेज़र किया होता है या कुछ, क्योंकि वो भी बहुत ड्राई जो है कर देता है स्किन को। ओके जी, सो दिस इज आवर वन हैंड। आई एम गोइंग टू गेट टू द अदर वन नाउ। अदर वन प्लीज। लव इट। यू कैन ऑलवेज मॉइस्चराइज इट वेल। ये आपकी पूरी बॉडी में यूज हो सकता है, हाथों पैरों, anywhere you want to use, on your back or you know anywhere that you want on your skin, your legs, your thighs, you can use this product anywhere. It's great for sensitive skin as well. It's going to moisturize you perfect for daily use. आप daily अपने skin को moisturize करें and you will see a difference. No jokes guys, It's good to always, hydrate your skin. It is non-greasy, sticky bhi nahi hai, greasy effect nahi hai. You guys can see my hands don't feel greasy or oily by any chance. This is a good thick cream which is going to thoroughly moisturize you. It's lightweight. Okay. And also it's quick absorbing, It's not taking its sweet time. It's quick, all of it. आपने लगाया, वो quick absorb हुआ. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने पैरों पे लगाया या कहीं लगाया and you wear your slippers and you slip. No, it's quick absorbing and it absorbs quick. So that way we're also sorted. Okay, ji. So I have another super cool product by Hibas collection, which is their Pretty Girl Mist. This is their body mist and this is so important. In सब चीज़ों के साथ ये भी बहुत important है. And honestly, I feel like a lot of people really don't wear body mists and all of that things which have fragrance in it. It's just not okay to skip these things because एक तो गर्मियाँ बहुत है, and apart from गर्मियाँ भी you should smell good. When you enter, you should have that aura of you, that fragrance of you where everyone just turns back and gets shocked and just wants to know what you're wearing. And it's always such a compliment when someone says you smell so good. Yeah, what perfume or what body mist are you wearing? What is this fragrance? So you can always tell them you're wearing Hiba Collections body mist. इसका QR code आपकी screen पे इस वक्त मौजूद है, guys. You can easily buy this from Bypass, of course. Bypass app को आप download करें and buy this. You can easily scan the QR code which is right now on your screens. उसको scan करें अपने कैमरे के through. Yeah, if you can't, then it's very simple. आप इसका जो product ID link है, आपको उसके through भी हमारी Bypass app पे आप इसको search करें and easily buy it. I absolutely love the fragrance of it. It's so nice and so fruity and smells super fresh. Our parlor smells very fruity and very refreshing. Let me make you wear it. Oh, so nice. You like it? You can smell this. It's so nice. I'm going to put some on her hands and the warm parts of the body, जो आपका wrist होती है, on the back of your neck if you apply it, this will आपके जहाँ warm areas हैं, back of your ear, your neck area, your the hand, ये काफ़ी warm होती हैं and this will basically keep it locked to your skin. The fragrance will lock in your skin. I love it. It's so good. I absolutely love it. और अभी हमने इनको moisturize भी किया हुआ है. So when you use a fragrance on top of a moisturizer or an oil, वो उसको थोड़ा लंबा उसके effect को रखता है. But I absolutely love it. Did you like this? It's so nice, right? It's super nice. So guys, like I told you in this episode that your personal hygiene is so important. Please take follow all the steps. Buy a good body wash, good scrub, a loofah, do all of that stuff for yourself. Do this for yourself. If you love yourself, self-care is so important for anyone who loves themselves. If you don't love yourself, then you will never care about it, But self-care is very, very important in order to, achieve good things in life. In order for positivity, you must also have self-love for yourself. So guys, आज की हमारे इस एपिसोड में जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया कि हमने प्रॉपर हमारी क्लेंजिंग की, हमने स्क्रब भी यूज़ किया बॉडी के लिए, वी हैड अ लूफा, हमारे पास मॉइस्चराइज़र भी अवेलेबल था, एंड माई फेवरेट वॉज दिस बॉडी मिस्ट, which I think I'm going to take home because it was so good. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching us at Beauty Parlour. We're going to come up with a new episode जिसमें हम आपको नए tips and tricks सिखाएंगे या नए transformations दिखाएंगे. So you never know what's coming up next. So stay tuned to Beauty Parlour only on Bypass TV.